warning for western Wayne County, Sampson County, eastern Harnett County, Cumberland County, south central Wake County, southwestern Wilson County, Johnston County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Angier to near Lillington to near Fayetteville to near Rex to near Clio, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Smithfield, Clinton, Lillington, Clayton, Dunn, Angier, Benson, Godwin, and Hope Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnson, Sampson, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson.